Hi guys, here we are again. This is going to be the first of a series of about 3 or 4 short videos on how to pay bills out of Xero. In this one we're going to be looking at how we pay just a single bill, and so I'm using the demo company for this because I've got a number of outstanding invoices. Now the important thing to remember when we're paying bills, that is when we're paying off our accounts payable, we must always do that from the business and from the purchases overview or the bills to pay section. Now this is really important because what that does is it ensures that the amount that we're paying comes off that accounts payable account, and the particular bill that we're paying is also showing in the system as being paid. So don't fall for the trick of going, I'm over here on the right, to the plus sign and just sort of saying spend money, because when we spend money, essentially what we're doing is we're just doing a cash transaction, and we can select the bank account and we can go next, and we can make a payment to our supplier. So we could choose a supplier from here, but we're not actually able to allocate it against the accounts payable account as such, nor against the outstanding and invoice. And that would cause our general ledger to be out of balance with our subsidiary ledger, which is the whole key of what this unit is about, trying to keep our subsidiary ledgers in balance with our general ledger. So to do that, as I said, we go to business and we go to that section or that module in Xero which handles our accounts payable, and I'm going to click on the bills to pay. Now in this one we can see we've got a number of bills outstanding, so I'm just going to click on the awaiting tab and I'm just going to pay an individual invoice, or individual bill I should say. So to do that, you can see here I've got the option to do a batch payment, but I don't want to do that. I actually want to make a payment directly to. So selecting the bill I want to pay, so David Jones, click on David Jones. Now you can see it brings up the original bill, so we can have a look at what it is we're paying if we wanted to check. And then importantly down the bottom here we have this field called make a payment. So if I'm wanting to pay the full amount, that's automatically allocated. If you wanted to pay a part payment, obviously we would just pay that. We would put in the date of the payment, so let's just say what's today's date, I don't know, 10th of the 2nd 2020. Paid from is the the bank account, so I'm paying it from our business bank account, and a reference could be the bill number for argument's sake, or it could be just a particular reference that the supplier has put on their remittance advice. When they send that to us, they'll often put something on there that they want us to say, or it could be from who's paying it. So if I were to write demo, then they know it's coming from the demo company. So whatever is relevant, and then I simply click add payment. Now remember, we just processed this in Xero to say it's paid. That doesn't actually mean we've paid it out of the bank. We would then either have to go into our internet banking and do an EFT, write a check, whatever the case might be. So let's just have a look at that again quickly. We've got one here due on the 13th of Jan. Select the invoice, then click on the name, paying the full amount, 163. I can select it this way if I want. 12th of February, paid from the bank account, and the reference, we can see the invoice number up here. If we've got that, it's a good idea to put that down here. So 945-ORC, and then we've added the payment to the system. As simple as that. If we were to select our paid ones, then those ones that we've just paid, David Jones and the Xero one, are both now showing as paid, and that's it. So the next video we'll have a look at updating bank account details, and then we'll look at doing a batch payment. So that's all for now.